Hey everyone, welcome back. So I have been a TubeBuddy user for over a year now, and while they have been really useful to me, I find myself using them less and less often for my YouTube channel. I use them mainly for keyword research, and I have to be honest with you, I've never used them once at all in my last 10 videos because I find TubeBuddy to be pretty unreliable, especially for new content creators. And I'll get to that in a minute. So in a way, I've been paying them for nothing over the last few months. There are several reasons why I stopped using TubeBuddy, but let me show you instead. It'll make things a lot easier to explain. First off, let's look at the TubeBuddy dashboard. It looks really outdated, like something created in the 90s or early 2000s. But that's fine, I can overlook this if they have really good functions and features. Now TubeBuddy is meant to help me out with my keyword research to find keywords that have high search volume and low competition. So let's see how easy or hard it is to do a keyword research on TubeBuddy. From here, let's click on Health Reports. I guess that's the only thing left because everything else doesn't sound right. So let's click on it. All right, awesome. Now look at this dashboard. It is all over the place. Moreover, this is data that I can extract myself from my YouTube Studio Analytics. So this isn't that useful to me. Anyways, I'm going to click on search rank tracking because that's the only thing I can see that is related to keyword research. And right, I need a higher license, which is fair enough. Now, I don't know what's in here, but it does sound like it is a place to track keywords and not do keyword research. And I know that because my license allows me to do keyword research, just not from here, and I'll get to that in a second. But you see, there really isn't much else on TubeBuddy's dashboard. There's Launchpad, which is a guideline for new content creators to make sure they have everything important covered. But I've created over 100 videos, so I use muscle memory now. So this isn't that useful to me. The only function I am interested in is the A/B test. This is where I feel I can use it to do thumbnail testing, and we know how important that is. But unfortunately, it requires the highest license, which I'm a little reluctant to pay for because of several other factors. But as you can see, their dashboard doesn't really help me much, and there's a reason for that. TubeBuddy has an extension that allows us to do all of our work from within YouTube. That is a great idea. We don't have to switch tabs back and forth, and it just makes us more productive, right? Well, I have to disagree on that because it is a lot slower and more tedious than you might think. I'll show you what I mean by doing a few keyword research. So check it out. This is my YouTube Studio and the TubeBuddy extension is right here. So let's go ahead and click on it and do some keyword research. First, let's search for grow YouTube channel with YouTube ads. So this is my first problem. Notice how slow it is. As you can see, this is not a very good title for me, just fair according to TubeBuddy. How about I change this to grow YouTube channel with Google ads. Okay, so this is a good topic according to TubeBuddy and I should go for it. And one of my videos actually is ranking for this keyword right over here. As you can see, I have over 2.62k views, which isn't too bad, but this is after 6 months. If I head back here to search volume, this keyword here, according to TubeBuddy, has a lot of searches. So it is a keyword that I must go for. But really, with such high search volume, I'm only getting about 26,000 impressions after, what, 6 months? And I'm ranking pretty high for this keyword too. So I am kind of expecting a little bit more impressions. And this is one of the issues I have with TubeBuddy. How many searches are there that TubeBuddy reckons is a healthy amount of search? Okay, so the next one, let's search for how to get 1,000 subscribers fast. This here is different because it actually has an estimated amount of monthly searches. Now, I love this, but why is there such an inconsistency here? Because I did not see this row at all. in my previous keyword research. So does that mean my previous search term has 0 monthly searches? But that doesn't make any sense because the search volume is maxed out according to TubeBuddy. And this is where I find it hard to do keyword research on TubeBuddy. I mean, I'm going to spend a lot of time creating the video, so I want to make sure the topic I chose is something people are looking for. And using TubeBuddy, it just doesn't give me that level of confidence anymore. The other thing I want to show you is the related searches on TubeBuddy. So let me search for how to get more subscribers. See how over here we have tons of ideas we can expand on, and this is great, but my problem with this is the list here, it seems to be just other keywords appended to my search term. And I don't want that because my search term is already long enough and people tend to not search for extremely long tail keywords. The other thing is I have to click on each of them in order to see if this is a good search term. So say I click on how to get more subscribers and views on YouTube. This is a really poor keyword, but I really wish I could see the results before clicking on it. So now if I want to go back, I have to click down here to head back, look at the list again, and then choose again. And this becomes really tedious because I need to remember what I click on. And not only that, as I click more and go deeper, it makes it a lot harder to backtrack. So let me show you what I mean. If I were to click on how to get more subscribers on YouTube channel, and then say I'm really interested in how to create a playlist on YouTube channel to get more subscribers and views, click on that, and then now there's nothing left for me to search. But what if I want to backtrack? How do I get back to my original search term, which at this stage, I don't even remember what I searched for anymore. As I said, keyword research takes up a lot of time, and I prefer to use a tool that makes me more efficient and not needs me to guess what works and what doesn't. I feel like TubeBuddy is good in its own way, but it doesn't feel very intuitive, especially for small YouTube channels, because they kind of weigh and estimate your ranking based on your channel's size. And this is just my personal opinion. If you do feel different about TubeBuddy, then do leave me a comment down below. More than happy to hear it out. So anyways, thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you love this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.